my daily routine. I carefully lean and I take a coffee cup in my bed. I leave my house at 7 a.m. to go to my office. I visit I visit my client part of the morning and the part of the afternoon. At 12 p.m. I take my lunch. I return to my house at 6 p.m. I study between the 7 and the 9 of the night. I watch TV until 11 and the high and the night. She rises early and prepares to go and study. She prepares and takes her breakfast. She comes out of her house at 8 in to go to study. She studied at university and until 3 ends. She is ready to lunch at the house. She works from 5 to 9 p.m. She after rest. Thank you.